What if I told you that right now, beneath your feet, there exists an entire city, streets, homes, churches, tunnels, all carved into solid rock over 2,000 years ago. And for centuries, nobody even knew it was there. This is Derinkuyu, and its story will change the way you think about human survival forever. In 1963, a man in Turkey was renovating his home. He knocked down a wall in his basement and found a tunnel. That tunnel led to a room. That room led to another tunnel. And that tunnel led to something nobody on Earth expected. An underground city stretching over 280 feet beneath the surface, capable of housing 20,000 people. It had been sitting there, completely hidden, for over 2,000 years. Derinkuyu is located in the Cappadocia region of central Turkey. From above, it looks like any normal village, but below the surface, it is an engineering masterpiece. The city goes 18 stories deep. 18! It has over 600 entrances, most of them hidden inside ordinary homes. It has ventilation shafts that still provide fresh air today. It has wells that reach the water table far below. It has stables for animals, wine cellars, storage rooms, kitchens, and even schools. This was not a hiding spot. This was a fully functional city, built entirely underground. Here is where it gets truly mind-blowing. The rock beneath Cappadocia is a soft volcanic material called tuff. Ancient builders could carve through it with basic tools, and what they created is staggering. Every tunnel was designed with a purpose. The corridors are narrow, only wide enough for one person at a time. Why? So that if an enemy invaded, they could only enter single file, making large attacks impossible. And the doors, massive circular stone wheels weighing hundreds of pounds each, could only be opened and closed from the inside. Whoever built this understood warfare, psychology, and engineering at a level that still impresses experts today. Historians believe construction began around 800 BC, possibly by the Phrygians, but it was expanded dramatically over the following centuries. The most widely accepted theory is that it was used as a refuge, a place where entire communities could disappear underground during times of invasion, war, or religious persecution. During the early Christian era, thousands of Christians reportedly hid here for months at a time, escaping Roman persecution. Imagine that. 20,000 people living, eating, praying, and raising children completely underground, waiting for the danger above to pass. Let's talk about the engineering details that still shock researchers today. The ventilation system has over 50 air shafts, some reaching depths of over 180 feet. Despite being sealed underground, the air quality inside Derinkuyu remains clean and breathable even now. The water system was designed so that wells between levels could be sealed off, meaning if an enemy poisoned the water supply on one level, the levels below remained safe. There were even communication channels built into the walls, narrow tubes that allowed people on different floors to speak to each other. In 800 BC, without electricity, without modern engineering tools, without computers. They did all of this with hand tools and human intelligence. Think about that for a moment. These were not primitive people. These were brilliant, resourceful, terrified human beings who refused to give up. They could not fight the empires above them, so they went below them. They carved an entire world beneath the earth to protect their families, their faith, and their future. And they did it so well that 2,000 years later, it is still standing. Derinkuyu was officially opened to the public in 1969. Today, tourists can explore about half of it, the other half still being excavated. Archaeologists believe there may be even deeper levels that haven't been discovered yet. An underground city 2,000 years old, and we still haven't found all of it. So, the next time someone tells you that ancient people were primitive, remember Derinkuyu. Remember the 18 floors. Remember the stone doors that only open from the inside. Remember 20,000 people who built an entire civilization underground and disappeared so completely that the modern world forgot they ever existed. Until a man knocked down a wall in his basement and found a tunnel. If this blew your mind, you're not alone. Subscribe for more stories of forgotten engineering wonders that history never taught you, because trust me, there is so much more buried out there.